Welcome back to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Joynob.
Yes, it's your buddy Jack here, and today we're talking about something super fun.
Yep, today's topic is level up your vocabulary in 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, we're going to teach you quick, easy ways to make your English sound smarter and more natural without spending hours studying.
Sometimes we use the same words over and over, like good, bad, happy, sad. That's fine, but it can sound basic.
Yeah, or when someone says very interesting all the time. We can do better than that, right?
Exactly. And don't worry, we'll show you simple words and phrases that sound advanced but are easy to remember and use every day.
And we're talking about words like fantastic, incredible, exhausted, thrilled, baffled, and more.
Using these words will help you speak more confidently and naturally, and people will notice your English is getting stronger.
And the best part, you can start using these words today in texts, chats, or even casual conversations.
So get ready to level up your vocabulary in just 5 minutes, guys.
Yep, repeat after us, try them in sentences, and you'll notice the difference immediately.
All right, let's dive in and make your English sound next level.
Let's go!
All right, guys, welcome back. Now we're going to learn 5 more words to make your English sound next level.
Oh yes, these words are super easy to use but make a big difference.
First word, meticulous.
What does that mean?
It means very careful or paying attention to details.
Like if someone decorates their room perfectly, you can say, "Wow, you're so meticulous."
Or if someone writes neatly, your notes are meticulous, way better than just good job.
Okay. Next word, astonished.
Ooh, I love this one. It means really surprised or shocked.
Like if I see a huge cake on my birthday, I can say, "I'm astonished."
Or if someone wins a competition unexpectedly, I'm astonished. Sounds natural and expressive.
Next word, remarkable.
It means very impressive or worthy of notice.
Like if a friend draws a beautiful picture, that's remarkable.
Or her performance was remarkable. Way more advanced than just saying, very good.
Okay. Fourth word, perplexed.
This one is like baffled, but a little fancier. It means confused or puzzled.
Like if I read a very tricky instruction manual, I can say, "I'm perplexed."
Or if someone says something strange, I'm totally perplexed. Sounds very native.
Okay, last word for today, exhilarated.
Oh, I love this one. It means very excited and happy, full of energy.
Like after riding a roller coaster, I'm exhilarated.
Or if you win a prize, I'm exhilarated. It's perfect for showing strong excitement.
All right, let's do a quick recap of part 3. Meticulous means very careful, detailed. Astonished means really surprised. Remarkable means very impressive. Perplexed means confused, puzzled. Exhilarated means very excited and happy.
See, just 5 more words and your English is already sounding so much more advanced.
Yep, and in the next part, we'll add 5 more powerful words and keep leveling up in just 5 minutes.
So don't go anywhere. Your vocabulary upgrade is just getting started.
Let's do this, guys.
Okay, Jack, let's dive into our next word, effortless.
What does that mean?
It means something done easily without much work.
Like if I play a song perfectly on the guitar, I can say, "That was effortless."
Or if someone runs really fast without looking tired, she makes it look so effortless, sounds natural and fluent.
Next word is dazzling.
Ooh, I love this one. It means extremely bright, impressive, or amazing.
Like if I see fireworks, I can say, "The show was dazzling."
Or describing someone's outfit. Your dress is dazzling. Sounds so natural and native.
Okay, third word is astonishing.
This one means very surprising or amazing.
Like if my friend solves a hard puzzle, I can say, "That's astonishing."
Or seeing a beautiful view. The view is astonishing, much stronger than just saying amazing.
Next word is rejuvenated.
It means feeling fresh, energetic, or refreshed.
Like after a good night's sleep, I can say, I feel so rejuvenated.
Or after a spa day. Wow, I'm completely rejuvenated. Sounds fluent and natural.
Last word for today is enthralled.
This one means completely captivated or fascinated.
Like if I watch a really exciting movie, I can say, I was enthralled the whole time.
Or reading a great book. I'm totally enthralled. Way more advanced than just saying interested.
Okay, quick recap of part 5. Effortless equals easy without struggle. Dazzling equals very bright or impressive. Astonishing equals very surprising or amazing. Rejuvenated equals feeling fresh and energetic. And enthralled equals completely captivated.
Just 5 more words and your English is sounding more fluent and confident already.
Yep. Keep practicing, and then the next part we'll add 5 more powerful words and keep leveling up in just 5 minutes.
Let's keep going, guys. Your vocabulary is about to get even stronger. All right, Jack, our next word is exquisite.
Oh, what does that mean?
It means extremely beautiful or delicate.
Like if I see a fancy cake, I can say, this cake is exquisite.
Or a painting, the details in this painting are exquisite. Sounds way more advanced than just saying beautiful.
Next word, fascinating.
Oh, I love this one. It means extremely interesting or captivating.
Like if I read about space, I can say, space is fascinating.
Or watching a documentary, that was absolutely fascinating. Much more natural than just interesting.
Okay, third word, vigorous.
It means strong, healthy, or full of energy.
Like after a workout, I can say, I did a vigorous exercise session.
Or describing a discussion, they had a vigorous debate. Make sure English sound advanced.
Next word, serene.
This one means calm, peaceful, and untroubled.
Like if I visit a quiet lake, I can say, the lake is so serene.
Or a garden, this garden looks serene and beautiful, way more fluent than just calm.
Last word for today, insightful.
This means full of understanding or providing deep ideas.
Like if someone gives great advice, I can say, that was really insightful.
Or after reading an article, this article is very insightful. Sounds very professional and native.
Quick recap of part 6. Exquisite equals extremely beautiful or delicate. Fascinating equals extremely interesting. Vigorous equals strong, energetic. Serene equals calm, peaceful. Insightful equals full of understanding.
Just 5 more words and your English is already sounding much more fluent.
Yep, keep practicing, and in the next part, we'll learn 5 more advanced words to keep leveling up in just 5 minutes.
Let's keep going. Your vocabulary is getting stronger with every word. All right, Jack, let's check out the next word, eloquent.
What does that mean?
It means speaking or writing very clearly and persuasively.
Like if my friend gives a great speech, I can say, you're so eloquent.
Or in a debate, her argument was very eloquent. Sounds much more advanced than just good speaker.
Next word, vivacious.
Ooh, I love this one. It means full of energy and lively.
Like describing a friend at a party, I can say, she's so vivacious.
Or someone's personality, he has a vivacious spirit. Makes your English sound natural.
Okay, third word, intriguing.
It means interesting and fascinating.
Like reading a mystery novel, I can say, this story is intriguing.
Or watching a documentary, that was really intriguing. Much better than just interesting.
Next word, profound.
This one means very deep or showing great understanding. Like a quote that makes me think. I can say, that's a profound idea.
Or after reading a book, this book is really profound.
Sounds fluent and advanced.
Last word for today, Impassioned.
It means showing strong feelings or enthusiasm.
Like if someone talks about their hobby, I can say, she's really impassioned about painting.
Or in a speech, he delivered an impassioned speech, very natural and fluent.
Quick recap of Part 8. Eloquent equals clear and persuasive. Vivacious equals lively and full of energy. Intriguing equals interesting and fascinating. Profound equals deep, showing understanding. Impassioned equals full of strong feelings.
Just 5 more words and your English is getting stronger and more native-like.
Yep, keep practicing, and in the next part, we'll continue with the final set of advanced words to complete our 5-minute vocabulary boost.
Let's go. Your vocabulary is leveling up fast. All right, Jack, our next word is resilient.
What does that mean?
It means able to recover quickly from difficulties or stay strong under pressure.
Like if someone faces challenges at work, I can say, she's so resilient.
Or after a tough week, I need to stay resilient. Sounds much stronger than just strong.
Excited. Next word is tranquil.
It means calm, peaceful, and free from disturbance.
Like if I visit a quiet beach, I can say, this place is tranquil.
Or describing a garden. The garden looks tranquil and lovely. It makes your English sound natural.
Okay, third word is insightful.
This means showing deep understanding or providing useful ideas.
Like after reading a great article, I can say, that was very insightful.
Or if a friend gives advice. Your feedback is insightful. Sounds advanced and native.
Excited. Next word is tenacious.
It means very determined and not giving up easily.
Like a student studying hard, I can say, she's tenacious in her studies.
Or an athlete training for a competition. He's tenacious and never gives up. Sounds natural and strong.
Last word for today is euphoric.
This one means extremely happy or full of excitement.
Like if I win a game, I can say, I feel euphoric.
Or after good news, she was euphoric when she heard the results. Much more expressive than just very happy.
Smiling. Quick recap of Part 9. Resilient means able to recover or stay strong. Tranquil means calm and peaceful. Insightful means showing deep understanding. Tenacious means very determined, persistent. Euphoric means extremely happy.
Happy! 5 more words and your English is now sounding confident, fluent, and natural.
Yep, just a few more words to complete our full 5-minute vocabulary boost.
Let's keep going. Your vocabulary is leveling up fast, guys. All right, Jack, let's finish strong. Our next word is indefatigable.
What does that mean?
It means never getting tired, always persistent.
Like a runner who keeps going, I can say, she's indefatigable in her training.
Or someone working hard. She's indefatigable at his job. Sounds very advanced and impressive.
Next word, astonishing.
Oh, yes. It means very surprising or amazing.
Like a magic trick, I can say, that was astonishing.
Or seeing an incredible view. The scenery is astonishing. Much stronger than just amazing.
Okay, third word, resplendent.
It means shining brilliantly, very bright and beautiful.
Like a decorated hall, I can say, the room looks resplendent.
Or describing a sunset. The sunset is resplendent tonight. Sounds elegant and native.
Next word, exemplary.
It means outstanding, a perfect example.
Like a student's work, I can say, your essay is exemplary.
Or a person's behavior. She showed exemplary patience. Sounds very fluent.
Last word for today, ecstatic.
This means extremely happy or overjoyed.
Like winning a prize, I can say, I'm ecstatic.
Or getting good news. He was ecstatic about the results. Much more expressive than just very happy.
Smack. Quick recap of Part 10. Indefatigable equals never tired, persistent. Astonishing equals very surprising or amazing. Resplendent equals shining brilliantly, beautiful. Exemplary equals outstanding, perfect example. Ecstatic equals extremely happy or overjoyed.
Now, let's do a full recap of all the words we learned today. 40 plus words to level up your vocabulary.
Yep, repeat after us and try using them in your sentences. Fantastic, incredible, exhausted, thrilled, baffled. Meticulous, astonished, remarkable, perplexed, exhilarated, exquisite, fascinating, vigorous, serene, insightful, effortless, dazzling, astonishing, rejuvenated, enthralled, eloquent, vivacious, intriguing, profound, impassioned, resilient, tranquil, insightful, tenacious, euphoric, indefatigable, astonishing, resplendent, exemplary, ecstatic.
Amazing! Just by practicing these words, your English will sound fluent, confident, and native-like.
Yep. Remember, don't just listen. Use them in sentences, texts, or conversations. That's how you really level up.
Keep practicing, and soon these words will come naturally in your daily English.
Yep. That's it for today. Your vocabulary just got a serious upgrade in 5 minutes.
And that's a wrap, guys. Today we learned so many powerful words to make your English sound fluent, confident, and natural.
Yep. Remember, the secret is to use these words every day in chats, texts, or even just talking to yourself.
Don't worry if you don't remember all of them at once. Practice a few words each day, and soon they'll come naturally.
And have fun with it. Make sentences, describe your day, or tell a story using these words. That's how you really level up.
If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Learn English with Joynob and hit the bell so you never miss new vocabulary tips.
Yep. And comment below. Tell us which word you loved the most today. We love reading your responses.
Thanks for learning with us today, guys. Keep practicing, and your English will keep improving every day.
Yep. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly,
We laughing together.
keep having fun while learning English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.